Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to purchase Bitcoin using eToro. Start by heading to the home screen and using the search bar to find Bitcoin. Look for the BTC icon and click it to access the trading interface. When you are ready to proceed, hit the trade button. Now enter the specific amount you wish to invest. For this example, I will use $20. Select Buy and dismiss any pop-ups. On this screen, you can monitor your available funds along with Bitcoin's current price and market performance. You have the option to adjust leverage, though I advise against this unless you are an experienced trader. You can also configure a stop-loss or take-profit order. These settings ensure your position sells automatically if Bitcoin reaches a certain price point. For instance, setting a take-profit at $200 will trigger an automatic sale once that target is met. Once your parameters are set, click Buy once more. You will see a confirmation that the order has been filled. You can now view your Bitcoin holdings within your portfolio. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.